guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be switching it up just a little and applying hair paint to my hair from Shop on Fly. So before applying the product, you do want to make sure that your hair is wet. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm just spraying my hair until it's completely wet. And you also want to make sure that you're wearing a shirt that you don't really care about, because it does get messy and you will get paint on your shirt. And before you apply the hair paint to your hair, you do want to make sure that your hair is styled. So that's what I'm doing here. Today I'm using the mousse from the Pink Lemonade and Coconut line from the Main Choice. And then I'm going ahead and I'm sealing my moisture in with the buttercream from the Coconut Cream Recipes by Aunt Jackie's. Okay curlies, so here's my hair once it's completely styled. It is still damp, which is great because I am about to go ahead and start adding in the hair paint, which is the fun part. So I got my hair paint from Shop on Fly. It was like $4 or $5. I went ahead and I got the gold color because I saw some results on some ladies and I liked the way that it looked. So what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing a decent amount and I'm rubbing it in my hand to get ready to start applying it to my hair. So it's just like any other hair product. You want to go ahead and rake it through your curls. And as I continue adding in the product through my hair, I did want to go ahead and just update you guys on the scent of the product. Now to me it wasn't too pleasant of a smell. It did kind of smell like a men's cologne. I don't know if that's just my nose or if it's just the color that I got, but it did kind of smell. So what I'm going to do is at the end I'm going to go ahead and add an oil on top of my hair just to get rid of that scent. And of course, if you're anything like me, you will get paint on yourself, or you may get it on anything around you, but don't be alarmed. It does come off pretty easily with water. So if anything, just grab a wet towel or a rag and you'll be good to go. Okay guys, so now I'm done adding in the color. This is what my hair looks like. It is still damp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get ready to start drying my hair. I'm going to be drying my hair with my diffuser. So I'll see you guys once I'm done. I'm back and here are my results. Once it's dry, it looks literally like maybe I gave myself some highlights. It's looking good. I love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in the oil to get rid of the smell. And I did want to go ahead and just update you guys. So as I'm adding in the oil, I did notice that my hair had a slight cast to it once I finished diffusing. So if you don't want to have a cast to your hair and you want more soft, fluffy curls, I do advise that you also use an oil for that reason as well, just in case if you get hair paint and it doesn't smell like mine does. But I do suggest that you use an oil just to go ahead and get rid of that cast. So I'm going to go ahead and continue finishing up adding the oil to my hair. Okay, girlies, so here are my complete and final results after using the gold paint. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Do you like the gold? Should I have one with a different color? Should I try another color next time? Just let me know. I think it came out pretty cute. I love it. I love how it looks. It looks like I maybe just went to go and get some highlights done. But I do want to thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you all love these results and get a chance to try out the hair paint as well. Don't forget to like, comment below any questions or other videos you would like to see, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.